Welcome to Start Grow Up Skills. Today class is Introduction of HTML. What is HTML? HTML, HyperText Markup Language, is the standard language used to create and structure content on the web. It provides the basic framework for web pages by using a system of tags and elements. Next purpose of HTML. Structure web content. It uses tags to organize text, lists, tables, and forms. Display in browser. HTML allows browsers to show text, images, and media. Embed multimedia. It supports audio, video, and other media formats. Link pages. Uses hyperlinks to connect web pages. Foundation for styling and interactivity. Provides the structure that CSS styles and JavaScript makes interactive. Next topic: HTML page structure. Doctype HTML tag. It declares the document type and version, HTML5. HTML tag root element of the HTML document. Head tag contains meta information, not displayed on the page. Title tag. It sets the title shown in the browser tab. Body tag contains all visible content like text, headings, paragraphs, images, and links. Today class is finished. We hope you learned something new today. Keep learning, keep growing, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.